Hi, I'm Aaron from watson6.0. I'm here to show you part 2 of Watson operation. Um, so now I'm going to show you some parts that I left off from part 1. Part 2, I'm not sure where I'm going to go with it, but let's see what I can do. And so last time, um, we had taught Watson um, some drawings. Okay, so and then you can see right here, is it WL? Yeah, WL. Give it to me. So, um, so you can see that right now it has this when I left off lots, so I reverted back to where we were at last point, and so there's the drawings. Okay, all right, so and then we go to Watt, which is the command name for Watson.
I await input.
Um, okay, so now I can ask it queries and questions as we were doing before. So let's go out with clean out adapter again first. Hmm. Hmm. Just to be, to the same point we left off in part 1. So clean out adapter comes up.
Graphic word adapter 1 of 7. Graphic file 1 of 15.
And see the file clean out adapter. And so and then and then the next drawing.
Graphic
Also.
word adapter 1 of 6. Graphic file 2 of 15.
Right, so I just end the last I had to end the last instructional video because it had too many errors and I just had to like shorten it. So sorry. So say let's look for one more. And then here I am. There you were. Let's go to flat slab manhole, right? Oops, I didn't spell it correctly. Oops. Manhole. Oh, that's one or two words. Flat slab manhole. Give it to me. Yes. There's one word. Hold on, come on. Bring it up, baby. What's a flat slab manhole, huh? Give it to it. Here's.
Graphic word manhole 1 of 17.
Here's, watch, found it.
Graphic file 1 of 40.
Alright, so see, it just found flat slab manhole, right? And you like that one. You want to keep it. You don't want to keep going out. So if you don't insert it to your drawing, it will be erased. The next query skipping around you do. So if you go, so let's say I like this one, flat side metal. I like that, right? And I want to keep it, right? So just not erase the next query that we're working on. So I like flat side metal. I want to type in insert graphic IG, right? IG for insert graphic, and watch this. Poof. And so now I don't know if you even know about this. When you're done using Watson, and the user prompts up, and you want to just like get out, if you give it a blank entry, and your user, it will end Watson and just leave it alone. So I just added flat side manhole. I'm gonna get out of Watson, and boom, it's inserted to the drawing. Right. So I'm sorry. I'm wasting time. I'm sorry about that. But so there it is. So But so say so I like that one, right? So, and I want to insert a new one. Hopefully find a new one for other things or whatever. So you have to go to insertion center. I see. Well, he wants to load it. All right, so here it goes. Oh, hold on a sec. I got your time on my hands. All right, so I'm gonna try to move it like right there. All right, cool. All right, so I got a new spot to insert things into using IC insertion center. Right, and now let's ask you some more and see how it works out.
I await input.
I want to go to catch basin. Catch basin question mark. That's a query. Well, give it to me.
Basin 1 of 4.
Give it to me.
Graphic file 1 of 2.
Catch basin. Insert graphic. Let's see what happens. Let's see what get out of here. Where is it? I don't know. It's a different place at least. Let's ask it more things. Alright, wait. This is part 2. So that's how you insert your satisfactory drawings into the main drawing. Otherwise, it just keeps going to deletes them. So you might want to be like, oh, there's the standard gravity manhole I'm looking for, something, right? And then boom. I'm gonna pause the hell out of this.